Good materials, good craftsmanship. Professional FRP manufacturers utilize a variety of molding technologies to ensure products truly deliver their full potential. We support a variety of mature molding processes. Pultrusion molding, continuous production, dimensional stability, suitable for structural profiles. Filament winding, high strength and excellent pressure resistance, suitable for pipelines and storage tanks. Compression molding, fine surface finish, robust structure, suitable for mass production of standard parts. Vacuum infusion process ensures uniform resin distribution, improving overall strength and durability. Multi-process collaborative production meets the requirements of different strengths and usage environments, ensuring long-term stable performance. It is widely used in infrastructure construction, industrial equipment, environmental protection projects, and power systems. Looking for a reliable FRP manufacturing partner? We leverage our mature technology and stable quality to help projects progress efficiently.